French Bulldog, my partner in crime. We're hauling gravel in Wyoming, pretty close to the Idaho border. That's the unit I'll be loading myself with. Military. Hoorah! So get all set, I'll back up straight as I can and dump a couple loads in this girl and bring her to the customer. Yeah! Oh, that's a tough dog right there. That was Loki. Oh. High five. High five. Oh, good boy. Good boy. It's a hot day. It's like 90, 95 here every day. Cannot wait for winter. I did not move here to haul gravel. However, snowmobiles are expensive. So hopefully bust ass this summer and take the winter off and head up there. Get some clips for you guys. Right, Loki? And North Dakota oil field's coming back. I'm looking to get my truck out there. If any of you guys want to drive, we can do any kind of rotating schedule you want. I'll work with you. And yeah, hit me up in the comments below or send us an email. Thanks.